Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we have a special treat for you as we dive into the world of Jamaican reggae with the incredible Winston Flags Smith. Get ready to groove to the rhythm of 4 of his most iconic music videos, each a masterpiece in its own right. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on a musical journey with one of the legends of reggae.
Said I'll tell you no lies. My lady, just call me and I'll be right there for you. My lady, just call me if it's the only thing you do. Hi, hello, and how do you do? Are you from around here or just passing through? My name is Dan, it's my pleasure to meet you. Could I have a word with you for a minute or two? My lady, just call me, I'm here and stand by. My lady, just call me, said I'll tell you no lie. My lady, just call me and I'll be right there for you. My lady, just call me if it's the only thing you do. Around here, this is my first time seeing you. You recently moved here, I could see that you're new. Welcome to the neighborhood and I hope you like it too. And if you ever need a hand right here, I have to. My lady, just call me, I'm here and stand by. Love come calling on my name. You love come calling on my name. Yes, say love come calling on my name. Love come calling on my name. There were a time when I was alone. I never had no one to love or to hold. But thanks to the Father, today I'm not alone. I've got someone who loved me here at home. 'Cause her love come calling on my name. You love come calling on my name. I say love come calling on my name. You love come calling on my name. Now that I found love on behalf of you, we can make this world a better place for two. You're like a breath of fresh air to me, someone who will last for eternity. 'Cause your love come calling on my name. You love come calling on my name. That's the highways, and I'm living the rolling down the highway. Said I'm leaving the city. I'm heading for the country, where my peeps are warm and friendly. Ooh, these small towns with the milestones to distant places. Paved sidewalks in neon lights with peeps of different faces. Bright billboards and full display and colorful farmhouses. People going to and from. And rolling Greyhound buses. Rolling Greyhound buses. And rolling Greyhound buses. Rolling Greyhound buses. Yeah, I'm rolling down the highways. And I'm leaving the city. I'm headed for the country, where my peeps are warm and friendly. Ooh, I'm rolling down the highways. Said I'm leaving the city. I'm headed for the country, where the air is fresh and plenty. Ooh, I saw hills and mountains at scenic country road. I stopped to get me some of that good luck country pure. Turn me on, turn you loose. You turn me on. You turn and you turn and you turn me on. Say me now go get confused, 'cause you turn me on. Imagine what your friends may be thinking. Some say our love it is not working. Please tell them that you are just doing fine. Tell them I love you and you love I. 'Cause you turn me on. Say me now go turn you loose. 'Cause you turn me on, girl. You turn and you turn me on. Say me now go get confused. 'Cause you turn me on, girl. This is your life, so you can choose if it's for worse or for better.
Guys, I guess it's safe to say that talent knows no bounds. If you enjoyed this musical journey as much as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more incredible content, and let me know in the comment section which of these music videos was your favorite. Stay tuned, guys, for more magical content. Until next time, ciao!